Hey guys, this is for the developer of Beast One Simulator. I got something to say. I can't talk on the group wall. If you find this, please fix it because it's kind of disappointing. But when I was playing Beast One Simulator, I was doing the Christmas thing so I can get the ornaments, and I did all everyone's tasks, and I worked on the tree, and I only get brown bear's ornaments, not anything else, not mama's bear, not black bear, and not even panda bear. I was so disappointed. I was like looking up how to get it, and I did the same right thing, and it didn't even let me get it. It was kind of sad because I really wanted to get this. It feels like the same thing as the egg hunt because whenever I picked up an egg, it made me glitch out and my PC kept glitching out and deleted my eggs. It was keep happening when I had eggs, but this one I guess I don't get any ornaments. It's kind of sad because like I really wanted to do this, and it didn't even give me the eggs. And now it's happening again. I don't get anything at all when I play these games with stuff, with events. It always happens. I really hate it. Yeah. I know this PC is old, has scratches on it, and here's the example. Let me show you the proof. Be right back. Be right back.